How do cancer drugs go from the lab to saving lives? Imagine a tiny molecule in a laboratory that could someday help someone fight cancer. It sounds hopeful, but turning that idea into a real medicine takes a long, careful journey. When scientists discover a new compound that might fight cancer, they start by testing it in the lab. They look at how it interacts with cancer cells and whether it harms healthy cells. They also study how the body might process the drug, how much is needed to work, and what side effects could happen. This phase can take 4 to 7 years, and it's all about making sure the drug is promising enough to move forward. Once the lab tests look good, the next step is testing in humans. Scientists need permission from regulatory agencies like the Food and Drug Administration in the United States or the European Medicines Agency in Europe. They submit detailed reports about their lab results and animal studies. If approved, they can start testing the drug in people. This process is called clinical trials, and it's divided into 3 main phases. In the first phase, a small group of 20 to 100 people with the specific cancer try the drug. The goal here is to see if it's safe and to find the right dose. This phase lasts a few months, and about 70% of drugs move on to the next phase. The second phase involves several hundred patients and checks if the drug actually works and what side effects might happen. These trials can last from several months to 2 years, and only about a third of drugs continue to the third phase. The third phase involves larger groups of patients, often thousands, to confirm the drug's effectiveness and safety compared to existing treatments or placebos. These studies can take 1 to 4 years. If the results are positive, the drug developer submits an application for approval to sell the drug on the market. In the United States, this is called a new drug application, and in Europe, it's a marketing authorization application. These documents include all the data from the earlier phases, sometimes hundreds of thousands of pages. The entire process from discovery to approval usually takes 10 to 15 years and costs around $2.6 billion. For promising cancer drugs, there are faster routes called accelerated approval programs. These can cut the development time by over 1,000 days or more. Some drugs have moved from lab to patient in less than 3 years using these faster pathways. For patients living with cancer, this long process means that each new treatment has been carefully tested to be both safe and effective. While it can feel slow when you need new options now, remember that every step is about protecting your health. The journey from a lab discovery to a life-saving medicine is a long one, but it's designed to bring safe, effective treatments to those who need them most.